Hey, what's going on, guys? So before this video starts, I just want to let you guys know to leave a comment down below and possibly you will get a shout out in the next video. And anyways, let's get right into this video. Hey, what's going on, guys? So this video is going to be something a little bit different. In this video, we're going to be revisiting a platform and a brokerage that is very near and dear to my heart. This is the brokerage that I started trading on about 3 years ago, and it is Robinhood. So why am I revisiting Robinhood? Because they brought back an old idea of theirs, and that idea is cash management. So we could see this little button up here. I noticed earlier today I got a little notification from Robinhood on my phone, and it said introducing cash management, and that's the same message that I got when they tried doing cash management before. So if you guys didn't know, Robinhood actually had their go at cash management, meaning they were going to have their own sort of checking and savings accounts, and you could have your own debit card with Robinhood on it. And it was a really, really cool idea because the annual percent yield on the savings account was about, I think it was 2% annually, which is extremely, extremely good for a savings account. And it would work seamlessly with your Robinhood account. So any of your buying power that you're not investing right now will be automatically invested into this high yield savings account, which is a fantastic idea, honestly, but there were some problems with it and they ended up pulling the plug on it before it even became a thing. And now it is not a thing yet, but they are making it into a thing similar to how they were before. So let's go ahead and we'll go to cash management here. And as you guys can see, I've already joined the wait list on my old classic Robinhood account. See, I'm 116,259th in line. And on the mobile app, there is a little it's sort of like a game where you have to click the debit card a lot, and the more you click the debit card, the higher in line that you'll be, which is pretty cool, I guess. But I'm on the wait list officially, so hopefully I will be invited to sign up, and if I am, definitely going to be doing a series on Robinhood, because this is something that I've been wanting from Robinhood for years and years and years, and I just haven't got it yet. But as soon as they do, oh, and also look at this, they actually raised the percentage yield to 2.05%. So before it was just 2%. And just there's some really cool benefits with this service that they have here, as they have the debit card. And what's cool is that you could get to choose what sort of debit card you want. So I went with this like black one. We could see here 2.05 annual percent yield. Your uninvested cash is moved to banks in our program that pay you 2.05%. So what that means is, like, since with Robinhood, it's unlike M1 Finance where your money is automatically invested. With Robinhood, you invest it yourself, and usually since there's no fractional shares, you have a decent amount left over. So that amount that's left over that you're not investing right now will go into a high interest savings account, which is really, really cool, honestly. That's a really, really good idea. Definitely going to be going back to Robinhood, revisiting it when this comes out, and I'm just really, really excited for it. We could see here FDIC insurance, which I believe this was one of the reasons why it got the plug pulled on it, was because it wasn't FDIC insured before, and it wasn't really a savings account. I don't think they were doing it through banks. They were just doing it through themselves. I believe that this is true. If it's not, I will kind of put a little thing right here saying that I'm wrong. But we could see here also 75,000 plus ATMs is what the debit card will work with. So it says don't pay fees at any of the 75,000 ATMs in our network, which is cool because usually if you have a credit card or a debit card and you want to go to an ATM and pull it out, if it's not an ATM with that supports your card, it will charge you a pretty big fee, honestly, and it's usually a really, really substantial fee. And this is cool because you can use your Robinhood debit card anywhere MasterCard is accepted around the world. So one thing that these brokerages are trying to do, and M1 Finance is too with M1 Spend, is they're trying to seamlessly integrate your brokerage accounts and your actual like bank accounts, which I think this is a really cool idea. I think in 5-10 years time, I think that everyone will have switched to a savings account or a checking account or what have you that is seamlessly integrated with an investment portfolio. And if that doesn't happen, I strongly believe that everyone should, because I find it kind of pointless to have your money just sitting in a really low interest savings account when it could be sitting in a investment account and making you tons and tons of money over years. So this is just a really cool idea to kind of blur the lines between savings account and brokerage account, which I am in support of. So I think that that's pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. As I said in the intro of this video, if you leave a comment, let me know what you think of this video. I might shout you out in the next one, so stay tuned for that, and leave a like if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that little notification bell to get notified of when I actually upload. Stay tuned for this Robinhood series, because I'm actually really hyped for when this comes out. And when the plug got pulled on it, I really did not think that it would be going to be coming back, but that being said, it is, so that's pretty exciting. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to hit the bell just to get notified when this series actually drops, and I will see you guys in the next one.